Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone's dual SIM configuration, eSIM plus physical or 2 nano SIMs. Once confirmed, power off the device and remove the SIM tray. Follow tray markings to place each SIM correctly so pins align. Turn the phone back on and unlock it. Next, open Settings and go to Network or SIM cards to verify both lines register. If using an eSIM, scan the carrier QR code or enter activation details now, and wait for both networks to show signal bars. Once both SIMs appear, you configure how the phone uses them. Go to SIM settings and choose the default line for voice calls and SMS so outgoing calls use the right number automatically. Then assign which SIM handles mobile data. Select the faster or cheaper data plan. Make sure to enable automatic data switching only if you want seamless fallback between carriers. Also label each SIM as work or personal and set per contact rules, so you can pick a number when contacts are stored for precise control. You finish by enabling advanced features that improve experience. Turn on VoLTE LTE and Wi-Fi calling for each active SIM when supported because they affect call quality and simultaneous data. Understand why you might see limits. Many phones only allow full 4G on one SIM at a time, so the other may drop to 2G or 3G. This is a hardware and carrier constraint. If connections fail, reseat the SIM tray, toggle airplane mode, restart or test each SIM alone, and then contact the carrier if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.